Hey, good day, everyone. Yeah, it's the day. Okay, good day, guys, and welcome to STEM Digital School for Grade 4 Social Sciences. Okay, I can see everybody is here. I'm happy to have you guys again. Thank you for coming, and I hope we're gonna enjoy the class. Okay, so today we are on day 7. Yes. So we are going to look at the South African map. That's what we're going to learn about today. But first of all, we are talking about yesterday's lesson, obviously. I want you guys to tell me the things we learned about yesterday. Let's remind each other about the things that we learned yesterday. Raise your hand and tell us what we learned yesterday, the things we learned about yesterday. We have Michaela.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Michaela, how are you?
I'm fine, and you, ma'am?
I'm fine.
Ma'am, what we learned yesterday was maps, keys, and
Yes.
also symbols
Yes, yes, yes.
and
And
directions.
direction, compass directions,
We learned
yes.
about north, east, west, and south.
North, east, west, and south. Yes, thank you, Michaela.
Yes, ma'am.
Zoe?
Yesterday we learned about compass directions and we did north, east, south and west.
We learned about compass directions. We did north, east, south, and west. Correct. Thank you, Zoe, Zoe, Zoe.
Welcome.
Who else wants to talk? Kingsley? 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 Okay, I can't reach Kingsley. Okay, we're gonna continue since I'm unable to unmute Kingsley. Okay, yes, yesterday we learned about compass directions. We learned about north, south, east, and the west, and we did a lot of activities, and it shows that you guys understood the lesson because you did well. So today we are going to look at the map of South Africa. Do you guys know a map of South Africa? If yes, tell me about it. How does it look like? The things that are in the map. Tell me about the features that are in the map and all those things. And you tell me what is the map on top of that. So we have Michaela. Michaela, your hand is still up. I don't know if you want to say something. I'm going to unmute you.
Yes, ma'am. May you please repeat the question?
The question is, today we are learning about a map of South Africa, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
I want you to tell me what is a map and the things that are in the map, the things that you know that are in the map.
Ma'am, a map is something that tells you where you are and where you're going.
Yes, that's true.
And also what is in the map is symbols and also
Symbols.
provinces.
Provinces, yes. What did we learn about yesterday?
We learned about maps.
Compass direction, right?
Yes, ma'am.
They are also there in the map. Okay, let's move to Zoe. Zoe?
The map of South Africa is supposed to have 9 provinces.
Yes, correct.
And there should be there should be also Lesotho and Swaziland there.
Yes, because Swaziland is next to South Africa, and then Lesotho is within. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Zoe.
Welcome.
Okay, let me check another participant. Rish.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how's it?
Ma'am, our names are Jordan and Emilio.
Jordan and who? I can't hear
Jordan
you.
and Emilio.
Okay, yes. Tell me, what is a map?
A map is to show a place.
Yes, it is to show a place. Do you know the things that are in the map?
Yes, ma'am.
What are those things?
Symbols and drawings.
I can't hear you. Come close.
It is keys, drawings, and symbols.
Keys, drawings, and symbols. That's correct. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, yesterday I wasn't here because I had problems with my with the picture.
Oh, it's Kingsley. You were not here yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yesterday we learned about compass directions. Do you know what a compass direction?
Ma'am, I'll check in my book.
Yes, please check in your books. We have north, south, west, and east. You should study that, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you very much for coming today. Okay, moving to our lesson today, we are learning about the map of South Africa. We are all from South Africa, obviously. So we are learning about our maps. 4 things to know about this lesson is that we are learning about South African map, obviously. By the end of the lesson, you should know the features that are in the map of South Africa. Okay, it will be a discussion lesson where we learned about maps and physical maps, obviously. So moving on, in our content, the formation of a map, okay? We have 2 types of map. We have a physical map and a political map. That's what we're gonna learn about today. So you should know the differences of these 2 maps, okay? By the end of the lesson, physical and a political map. Are we good? Okay. South Africa is a country in South Africa, okay? It is in the southern part of South Africa, Africa. So the place where the land meets the sea, it's called the coast or the coastal plain, okay? The oceans are large areas of salt waters. So oceans are around the South African map. They are large areas of salt water. Those water found in the ocean have salt, okay? So there are 2 oceans next to South Africa. On the maps, oceans are colored in blue so that we can see that they are not inland, okay? Oceans are not inland, okay, within our provinces. No, they are outside. They cover South Africa and they are colored in blue. So you'll be able to see them. I'm going to show you an example of how they are colored. And then people have divided South Africa into smaller areas called provinces. Somebody said that a map is, there are provinces in the map. Yes. As people of South Africa divided South Africa into smaller areas, calling provinces. We have Mpumalanga, Limpopo, Gauteng, KwaZulu-Natal, Eastern Cape. Those are the provinces, and we are going to learn more about them. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, South Africa has 9 provinces. Okay, there are 9. Each province has a capital city. So we are going to learn about the capital cities thing next week. But today we are going to stick on the other part, okay? So, but you should also know that. And then moving on. Okay, what's in the map? Are you seeing the map here? What's in the map? I want one person, one participant to tell me what they are seeing on the map, okay? I want one person to tell, Zoe.
In the map, there are 9 provinces. That
Yes.
is Limpopo, Gauteng, Mpumalanga, Northwest Free State, KwaZulu-Natal, Eastern Cape, Northern Cape, Western Cape, and there are two countries that are in South Africa. Swaziland is next to South Africa, and Lesotho is around. So Lesotho is South Africa is around Lesotho.
Yes. Thank you, Zoe. What else do you see in the middle of the map?
In the middle of the map, I see a compass that has north, east, south, and west.
A compass that has north, east, south, and west. Okay, it will help us to identify where the province is it? Thank
Yes.
you, Zoe. Okay, let's move. I wanted one participant. I'm gonna get to you guys all as we move forward. Okay. A map gives a lot of information. As you have seen, as you can see here, a map gives a lot of information. Okay, it gives us a lot of information. A map can show part of a town. As you can see here, we have Durban. Durban is a town. We have Johannesburg here, and then Mafikeng, Cape Town, Port Elizabeth. You see, it is also showing part of a town, a country, or even the whole world. So now it is showing a country here. It also shows us another country, which is Lesotho and Swaziland, and there are other neighboring countries around South Africa, okay? And then maps have colors, okay? You see, these are the colors. This one doesn't show a lot of colors, but I'm gonna get you the one that shows a lot of colors. A map has colors so that we cannot be confused, okay? It has rivers. Rivers have their own colors. Hills have their own colors. You see, things like that. Dams have their own colors, and mountains as well. It also has symbols and keys. So this one doesn't have symbols, but we learned about symbols. There are symbols in the map that show us where the river is, that show us where the mountain is, that also show us where, yes, the physical features in the map, okay? And then a map is always drawn with, north at the top, okay? The compass symbols show the direction of north. So the map on top here, it's always the northern side, okay? As you can see, this compass direction shows that. Map show the size of area and the distance between places, okay? By looking at this map here, we can see the size of areas. Which one is has a bigger size? By looking at the map, I want you to tell me which province has a big size. Which province has a bigger size? We have Mina and Claire.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
The biggest one is Northern Cape.
Yes, the biggest one is Northern Cape. Thank you very much, Mina and Claire.
You're welcome.
Yes, map shows us the size of area. So we can tell that the size of this area is the biggest. So Northern Cape is the biggest province in South Africa. Okay. Yes, it occupies a lot of space in South Africa in the map. Okay. And the smallest one is, let me see, we can say we have Gauteng. Yeah. Okay, let's move. Land is shown as brown or green. Land is shown as brown. You see here, the land is shown as brown, and then, or green. Sometimes it is green. You see the other maps will show the color of green. So you should know that it is the land. Okay. Then water, like oceans, rivers, lakes, it shows as blue. So wherever there is water, it will be blue. So with in our country, there are rivers all over. So they will be shown in blue colors, going down, up, left, right, and center. Okay. So yeah, that's just how it is. Okay, what are we having now? A physical map. So I told you that we are going to learn about a physical map and a political map. Okay, so look, this is a physical map. A physical map, people, a physical map shows where there are natural things like oceans. You can see Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. It shows ocean. By looking at the keys, we see Guti. This is an ocean. And then it also, a physical map shows desert, mountains, rivers, and lakes. Okay, so you can see here, the yellow thing at desert. It shows that in South Africa, this part is a desert area. Okay, so here it shows the different mountains. Okay, we have Drakensberg Mountain and then Libombo Mountain and things like that. Okay, and then also shows river. I told you that river are colored in blue. Okay, it symbolizes water. So a physical map shows natural things. Okay, it shows natural things. It shows mountains, it shows rivers, it shows lakes, dams, and it shows oceans and desert. Okay, should remember this. This is a physical map showing natural things, things that have been made by God, not people. Okay, moving on. Class activity. This was the map I was showing you about. This, I also told you that it is, and is colored in green and sometimes in brown. So here it is green. It shows land. Okay, don't be confused. And this is a physical map showing natural things. Look at the map, then answer the following question. Name the ocean to the east of South Africa. The ocean to the east of South Africa. We learned about directions yesterday. So let's see, we have Tyron.
The Indian Ocean, and my grandparents live in a desert-like area. Grandparents.
They live in the desert area.
Yes.
Okay, so, okay. Did you see the ocean on the east of South Africa?
It's the desert has meerkats and jackals.
No, Taryn, I don't understand what you're saying. Okay, listen to me now. I'm saying identify or name, look at the map, name the ocean, look at the oceans there on the east of South Africa. I want you to look at the compass direction here and tell me which ocean it's on the east.
Indian.
It is the Indian Ocean. That is correct. Thank you very much, Japan. Yes, we have the Indian Ocean. Okay, let's move. Name the ocean to the west of South Africa. The ocean in the west of South Africa. Let me get a new participant. Who are we having? Diane. Dane. Dane. Hello, how are you?
Fine, thanks, and you?
I'm okay.
Atlantic Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean. That is correct. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, on the group chat, who's answering? Dane says Atlantic Ocean. Yes, that's correct. Thank you. That is the correct answer, my boy. Okay, moving to the next question. Name the mountains in the east of South Africa. Mountains in the east. You name the mountains that are in the east by looking at the map. Minenhle? Minenhle?
The mountains in the east.
Yes.
Drakensberg.
Yes, Drakensberg. And then?
Lebombo.
Lebombo. Yes. Thank you, Minenhle.
You're mostly welcome.
Sharp. Okay, let's move. Date on the group it says it's Drakensberg. Okay, yes, that is mostly correct. Name the dam on the Orange River. What is the dam on the Orange River? There is a dam down there. You can see it. Okay, so I want you to name it. We have Zoe.
The dam is called
It is called what?
Gerrip Dam.
Get it what?
It's called Gerrip Dam.
Yes, that is correct. I can also see it. I'm spotting it now. That's correct, Zoe. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, moving on to the next question. Name the river that flows into the Indian Ocean. There is a river that flows to the Indian Ocean on this physical map. I want you to tell me that river. Okay, let me look. Kingsley. King.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, King, talk.
The river that is next to the Indian Ocean is Garip River, I think, ma'am.
No, listen. Listen to the question. Name the river that flows going. It flows to the Indian Ocean. It is connected to the Indian Ocean. Look carefully.
Ma'am, is it Limpopo?
Yes, it is Limpopo. You can see up there. This is the mouth of the river connecting to the ocean. You see? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Thank you, King. Okay, on the group chat, they are saying Limpopo. Yes, that is Limpopo River. Okay. What is the name of the desert? What is the name of the desert that you see? Name the desert that you see on the physical map. We have Michaela.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, how's it?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good. Tell me the desert.
The desert is at Nanim.
Yes. Namib, yes. Yes, yes. Let me point it so everyone can see. Namib, yes. The other one? Khalahadi. Yes, it's Khalahadi. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We have two deserts, which are Khalahadi and Namib. All right. On the group chat, they are also agreeing with me. Thank you guys for your answers. Okay, number G. The question is here. Rivers always flows towards the sea. Choose the correct ending to complete the sentence. The Orange River flows, look at the Orange River, from east to west or from west to east. You tell me. You tell me.
Ma'am is
Yes.
west to east.
The sea, it is flowing from, let's look at the compass direction. West is this side. Okay, here orange going down, going to the east. That is mostly correct. Thank you very much again, Michaela. On the group chat, they're saying, Unati says west to east. And then Hako Mpani says west to east. And then Noganda says east to west. Noganda, baby, look here. Look at the compass direction here. Are you looking, Noganda? And then we have west on this side, on the left-hand side, and we have east on the right-hand side. And then we come here to the Orange River. The Orange River starts from this point, okay? Going down to the east, right? Thank you, Noganda. I hope you understood that. The river always goes down. It doesn't go up. Are we clear? Okay, let's move. Now we are going to look at the political map. As is it, we looked at the physical map and we saw the physical features in the map of South Africa, right? That we have rivers, mountains, desert, and all those things. Now we are going to look at the political map, okay? The political map of South Africa. A political map shows things that people have made. I told you that a physical map, it has natural things. So a political map has the things that have been made by people like me, okay? Such as countries. We name countries according to the way we want, okay? So we also have provinces. We divided the country into provinces. So we decided it is not natural, okay? We also have cities and towns. So that's what the political map show, okay? So these key here symbolize a capital city of all the provinces that are around South Africa. As you can see, people, look at the map. Here are the neighboring countries of South Africa. Okay, we have Namibia. Namibia, it's in the northern part up there of South Africa. We have Botswana, Zimbabwe, and Swaziland, and also Lesotho within South Africa, okay? So these are the neighboring countries that we have. These are our friends. We should visit them after the lockdown, okay? We should visit these countries. these African countries. So countries are large areas separated from each other by international borders or boundaries. So countries are separated. As you can see, they are separated. To go into the other country, you need to have permit, obviously, okay? You cannot just go to another country as you please, like you are going from Gauteng to Mpumalanga. No, no, no. When moving to another country, you need to follow a certain procedure, okay? You need to follow a certain procedure. South Africa shares borders with 6 countries. As I've told you, we have Namibia, Botswana, Zim, Swaziland here, next to Mpumalanga, and then we have Lesotho within South Africa, okay? Moving forward. Countries are sometimes divided into provinces, okay? Just like South Africa, we decided to, no, South Africa is very broad, we are going to divide it into provinces, okay? So when you get a physical map, you get a map, a political map, you get a map that has South Africa, and South Africa is being divided. And a physical one, it shows all the natural things only, okay? So in South Africa has been divided into 9 provinces. Obviously, we have Eastern Cape, Northern, Northwest, Free State, Western, KwaZulu-Natal, Limpopo, Mpumalanga, okay, and Gauteng. So those are the provinces that South Africa has been divided with, okay. Okay, the questions are here, all of them at once, all right? We are going to look them one by one. So look at the map, then answer these questions, okay? Number 1, which province do you live? Which province do you live? And what is the capital city of your province? Okay, you're gonna answer 2 questions in one answer, okay? I'm trying to get you guys, I can't. Okay, I got it. Okay, we have Jordan. Jordan. Okay, Jordan is not home. We have Kingsley. Kingsley. I have a problem with unmuting Kingsley. I don't know. You should fix your phone. Zoe.
I live in Gauteng in Johannesburg.
Yes, that is the capital city of Gauteng. Thank you very much. And then let me take the last participant. Tyra.
I live in Gauteng and the capital province is Johannesburg.
Yes, thank you, Tyra.
Ma'am?
Okay, let me get somebody from
Ma'am?
Kingsley. Yes, we are here. Where are you from? And what's the capital city?
Ma'am, my capital city is Joburg.
It's what?
Joburg.
Where are you from?
I'm from
I can't hear you.
Ma'am, I'm from Joburg.
Oh, you're from Joburg. Gauteng. Your capital city is Johannesburg. Yes, thank you, Kingsley. Okay. Who's from other provinces except Gauteng? Minenhle. Minenhle?
No, ma'am, I'm from Gauteng.
Oh, you're from Gauteng. Everybody's from Gauteng here. We should meet and have a party. It seems like we are all in Gauteng.
Ma'am, what is
Okay, on the group chat, let me see. Maybe there are other people from other places. Okay, somebody says I am from Western Cape and my capital city is Cape Town. Nice one. Okay, and then yes, let's continue. Okay, question number 2C. What is the country to the east of Bloemfontein? No. What is the country to the east of Bloemfontein? Okay, let's look at Bloemfontein. Yes, what is the country to the east of Bloemfontein? Zoe.
The country to the east of Bloemfontein is Lesotho.
Lesotho. Yes, that's correct. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay. Number G. In South Africa, which province is the furthest north? Okay, the one that is on the northern side. We have who? King.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
Which in South Africa, which province is the furthest north? It's up there in the northern side.
Ma'am, which province is the furthest north?
Yes.
It is Western Cape, ma'am.
Further north.
Oh,
It's up.
Limpopo.
No. Limpopo is on the east.
Northern Cape.
Northwest.
Northwest.
Yes, that's correct. King. Thank you. Okay, name the ocean that is west of the Northern Cape. The ocean west on the Northern Cape. Look at the Northern Cape and then you tell me the ocean that is on the western side. Tyran.
It's the Atlantic Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean, my girl. Thank you very much. It is the Atlantic Ocean. Here it is, okay, on the western part. Okay, I'm looking at time. We are running out of time. Okay, let's look for number F. In South Africa, which province is the furthest south? Furthest south. Zoe.
The one that is the Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Okay, in South Africa, which province is the furthest south?
The furthest south is the Western Cape.
Yes, it's the Western Cape. It's like, it's in the southern part. Yes. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
But it is in the Western Cape, but it is closer to the southern part of South Africa. So, okay, which of South African neighboring countries are landlocked? There is a country that has been landlocked. Which one? I'm going to give this to Terran. Terran loves this country. Terran.
It's Lesotho and Swaziland.
Yes, Lesotho.
What
is the one.
What does landlocked mean?
Come again.
What does landlocked mean?
Yes, a landlocked, it is a land that it is locked within South Africa, okay? It is around South Africa. Your mic has been muted. It is around South Africa. So the correct answer is Lesotho. Okay. Swaziland, it's further north, and then it's not locked in South Africa. Okay. It is just closer and then it moves. Okay. So the one that is locked here in South Africa, it is the one and only Lesotho. Okay, tell me the things you learned today before I quickly end the lesson. I want a new person. I want a new person. I want a new person. Okay, there are no new people, but I'm gonna ask Minenhle.
Ma'am, what I've learned today are how I learned about how I can use the map of South Africa to find my places.
Yes, yes, yes.
And I also learned some new words.
You learned what?
New words.
New word.
New words.
Which are? Landlocked.
Yes, landlocked.
Thank you very much. Do you know what is a landlocked country?
It's a country that is locked in South Africa.
Yes, that's correct. Thank you, Minenhle. You have learned a lot. Moving to boom. Okay, Zoe.
What I've learned today was that I learned about different kinds of maps.
Yes.
There is, and I also learned that Lesotho and Swaziland are landlocked countries.
No, Swaziland is not a landlocked. The only landlocked.
Lesotho.
Yes, yes, yes.
And
that's
I
all.
also
Okay.
yes.
Let's move
That's
to.
all.
Thank you, Zoe. Michaela. Michaela.
What I've learned today was how to use a map and about landlocked
Yes.
and the landlocked is Lesotho.
Yes.
And I've learned directions.
Yes. Okay, Michaela, thank you for learning. Thank you. We have Jordan. Jordan. Can I unmute you? Jordan.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what did you learn today?
We learned about the compass.
Yes.
We learned about mountains and
Yes.
and deserts, and we learned about global
Yes.
oceans.
Okay, thank you, Jordan. Minenhle, did you speak, right? Minenhle?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Ne.
You're welcome.
Okay, guys, let's wrap up. Tomorrow, we are moving to history. We are learning history from tomorrow until next week, okay? So we will be learning about leaders. I want you to go and identify a leader that you know, okay? And come and tell me, okay? We are learning about leaders tomorrow, different types of leaders. So you should go get them. Okay. Bring
Yes.
their names in class. So, okay, these are the books. I'm sure you know how to download them. And then from me and the digital school, guys, we love you so much. Thanks for coming. You should enjoy the rest of your day. Stay sanitized. Stay home. Don't go and play around. You will catch coronavirus. I love you so much. I'll meet you tomorrow. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. We will be learning about leaders and we choose one leader in the class. Okay.